So these are the Beats Studio Tour Wireless Edition, and this is what we look at today. So before we jump into the video, I thought we'd just have a quick look at what people are saying about it before we actually give our opinion. So these are £19 now. These were not £19 when I ordered them. They're actually only £8 plus £1.40 delivery to a store. So if you're not using delivery to a store, products seem to get there a lot quicker. And it's a hell of a lot cheaper than actually having it delivered to your house, so something to think about. So they come in black and white. I got the white ones. Reviews are impressive for these. So 4.3 overall, but as we know from previous videos, reviews aren't always accurate, and lots of people give reviews which aren't wholly accurate. So here you've got some 5-star reviews. Really pleased, nothing to complain about. Sound good, everything work as it should. Pretty good. Not Beats refurbished, but they sound good, look good, and pleased. So people need to start waking up to the fact that Wish won't sell refurbished products; they'll just sell fake products, and that's what you've got to get in your head. Great sound, work good. They work and sound great. Can't beat the price for these Beats. Great, all that kind of stuff. So 4 stars, pretty good. Similar story. Lovely sound. All the functions of the device do not work smoothly. The language is in Chinese, but that's what we expect for some fake headphones as well. 3 stars, none of those. 2 stars, no. And 1 star, doesn't charge in case properly. Battery life is not what was advertised. Never received. So overall, fairly good. So you can normally judge a product on its low scores and its high scores. So overall, these seem to be pretty good. Product wise, we've got information about it. So 1 charging case, 1 earphone, USB charging cable, quick start guide, all that kind of stuff, which you'll see in a minute. That's what we got in the box. So let's jump into it. So the first thing you'll see is the box. The box is actually well made, good replica, good fake. Inside the box, you get your headphones, you get the micro USB charging cable, you get some earbuds, and a manual. So the case is fairly plastic. It's not high quality plastic, but it still looks fairly good. The actual earbuds is where the quality tends to come in. So these are really, really well made. So you can see you got that extra, they got that really nice detail with the gold trim around it. The earbuds actually look like the genuine ones. So a lot of effort has gone into actually making this product look really, really good. So together, if you had these in your ears, people wouldn't know that they weren't real. So once again, it's another one of these good Beats products which people are making, and they look really good. So once again, you can't really fail in terms of, if you can't afford to buy the genuine ones, you can get the fake ones for a hell of a lot less money. So inside the case, they charge like the normal ones. It's got a 4-bar indicator for how much battery life is in them. But as I said, these are not genuine, so therefore you've got to keep that in your mind. So use a micro USB charging cable, which the real ones use a lightning cable. Once again, telltale sign that these are not genuine. The case does look plasticky, so if you want to pass these off, just keep the case in your pocket. Don't show people that. The manual is in Chinese and English, talks you through how to use them, but once again, is a telltale sign that these are not genuine. So for something so cheap, I've been really, really impressed with the sound quality. So I've been testing these out with dance music, hip hop music, pop music, just everyday music really, and they've been really, really impressive. So for the money, you can't really complain in terms of sound quality. And as we see on some of the reviews which I showed towards the end of the video, I tend to agree with people in terms of the sound quality. The battery life, you can charge this case up. It only takes about an hour to charge the case up, and that gives you a full recharge about twice. Other people mention on the Wish website about the battery life not being true, but obviously whatever it says on the back of the box, you're not going to get on the actual headphones, because these are not genuine ones. These are low cost replicas, and that is what you're going to get. Keep that in mind and you won't be disappointed. So just keep that in mind when you're buying stuff. In terms of pairing, they come up as something called L3, rather than trying to be passed off as Beats or things like that. They just come up as L3. They pair really, really well. Mine paired first time, and I've used them continuously, and as soon as I take them out of the case, they connect. The only issue I've run into so far is the fact that sometimes the two earphones don't pair correctly. So best thing to do is put them both in the case and wait for the 2 red lights to come on. Then take one out, put it in your ear, take the next one out and put it in your ear. And normally I don't get any connection issues with that. If you do experience connection issues, what you can do is put one back in the box, wait a few seconds, and then take it out and put it back in your ear. And I've also found that is a surefire way to get them to pair back up together, because obviously you don't want to be listening to music with just one earphone in. So overall, I rate these as a genius product. You can't go wrong for the price. I paid £8 and plus £1.40 postage. It's £9.40 for a pair of replica earbuds, and these are really good. So for me, these are a genius product.